Mom, hello everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, Kitchen Talk. I'm your mom, Elle, daughter, and I'm your daughter. Today we are in our kitchen again, cooking and talking in simple English. Mom, yes. Our goal is to practice English together while making something delicious. Daughter, so relax, enjoy, and feel like you're here in our kitchen with us. Mom, okay, so what are we making today? Daughter, I think we decided to make dish name, right? Mom, yes. It's simple and one of our favorites. Daughter, Mom, can you pass me the bowl? Mom, sure, here you go. And can you get the spoon? Daughter, of course, here it is. Mom, great teamwork. Daughter, that's the best part, we talk, we cook, and we learn English. Mom, why do you like this dish so much? Daughter, because it's easy and tasty, and I have good memories with it. Mom, really? What kind of memories? Daughter, I remember making this with you when I was younger. You used to let me mix everything. Mom, yes, and you always made a mess. Mom, how long should we cook this? Daughter, maybe 10 minutes. Mom, good, now you ask me. Daughter, what should I do now? Mom, you can stir the mixture slowly. Daughter, does it smell good? Mom, yes, it smells wonderful. Daughter, this segment is my favorite. It helps me use English naturally. Mom, yes, speaking while doing something makes it easy. Daughter, Mom, what was your favorite food when you were a child? Mom, maybe poha or kheer. Daughter, did you cook when you were small? Mom, a little. Mostly I helped my mother just like you helped me. Daughter, oh, that's cute. Mom, cooking brings generations together. Daughter, true. Daughter, let's ask fun questions. Mom, okay. Daughter, if you could eat only one thing forever, what would it be? Mom, chapati and sabzi. Simple is best. What about you? Daughter, maybe pasta or noodles. I love them too much. Mom, laughs, I know. Daughter, next question, describe me in 3 words. Mom, creative, caring, and talkative. Daughter, true, but it was fun. Mom, so how was your day today? Daughter, it was good. I studied, watched some English videos, and helped a little at home. Mom, that's nice. Did you learn any new English words today? Daughter, yes, I learned motivation, improvement, and routine. Mom, good words. Do you think practicing daily helps? Daughter, definitely. Even 10 minutes a day makes a big difference. Mom, that's true for everything: cooking, studying, or learning English. Daughter, yes, consistency wins. Mom, I really enjoy these podcast moments. Daughter, me too. We rarely get long conversations in daily life. Mom, yes, everyone is busy. Daughter, but this feels special, like quality time. Mom, I agree. Kitchen conversations are my favorite. Mom, let's do a small English practice segment. I will say something and you reply. Ready. Daughter, ready. Mom, what ingredient do we need next? Daughter, we need next. Mom, can you pass me the oil? Daughter, yes, here's the oil. Daughter, Mom, today I learned something important. Mother, really? What did you learn, sweetheart? Daughter, that small efforts every day make big results. Mother, that's true. I'm proud you understood this so early. Daughter, I want to be consistent from now on. Mother, life is not a race, Beta. Take your time. Daughter, but sometimes I feel I'm too slow. Mother, slow is fine. What matters is that you don't stop. Daughter, I'll remember that, Mom. Mother, good. Grow at your own pace. Daughter, Mom, can you help me plan my study routine? Mother, of course, let's do it together. Daughter, I want a routine that I can actually follow. Mother, then we'll make it simple and realistic. Daughter, thank you for always supporting me. Mother, when you were little you always asked why. Daughter, laughs, I still ask why. Mother, and that's what makes you curious and smart. Daughter, you make me feel confident, Mom. Mother, that's my job, to be your safe place. Daughter, oh, Mom, you're being poetic today. Mother, sometimes mothers are also soft from inside. Daughter, I love moments like this. Mother, Beta, whatever you choose, career, goals, dreams, I'll stand by you. Daughter, that means a lot to me. Mother, just promise me one thing. Daughter, what, Mom? Mother, never doubt yourself. You're stronger than you think. Daughter, I needed to hear that. Daughter, Mom, talking to you makes me feel calm. Mother, that's because I know your heart. Daughter, thanks for giving me time even when you're tired. Mother, a mother's heart never gets tired for her child. Daughter, good night, Mom. Mother, good night, my little star. Daughter, every day, our talks make me wiser, stronger, and softer. My mother is not just my parent, she's my guide. Mother, my daughter is growing, learning, becoming her best self, and I'll always walk beside her, step by step, because a mother and daughter's bond is forever. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe for more.